Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today's video I am sharing a unboxing with you guys from Influenster. I just got another one in the mail yesterday, I think. So, yeah, yesterday. I kind of already unboxed it a little bit, took some of the packaging apart so that it would be easier to share with you all, and I'm so excited. I love when they send me free products in the mail to try. If you guys don't know how Influencer works, I have a complete video on it. We'll leave it in the down bar in the description box so you guys can understand a little bit more. You don't have to be a YouTuber to receive these. You don't have to really, you don't have to have social media at all. You don't have to have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all these other ones, but it helps you. It helps you out a lot. So you don't have to have YouTube though. You definitely don't have to have YouTube to get an Influencer box. If you have Instagram and Facebook, then that's when you sign up, you put that on there, and then, you know. But definitely the more people that you can reach and the better following you have, the better chances that you have of getting this. That's sort of how it works, but also the more active you are on the app, the more likely they will send you stuff. So, but you have to do reviews on the products that they send you, or else, because that's the whole point of it. It's a marketing tool for people to use. So, you know, in return, I review the products for them. I am not required to make a video on this, but I do like to share these unboxings because it's something different than BoxyCharm or Ipsy people can see. So if you like unboxing videos, please give this video a thumbs up. And full disclosure, all these products were sent to me complimentary from Influencer. Have to say that. They were sent to me complimentary for reviewing purposes. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the theme of this box is Staycation. I just got their vacation box, and then this is Staycation. Shoot, I wish I could stay somewhere on vacation, but and literally like stay. I mean stay, not like come back to where I live. Like stay at the beach somewhere. First thing in here is like a coupon thing. At Costco, it's like a sale between the 27th of August and the 21st. Get 2 full-size products of the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer for $9.99. I probably won't use this because I still have the sample size that they sent me, but. And they include a little card, just like BoxyCharm does, that tells you the prices of everything. So, the first, and I will be doing like several reviews on these products on my Instagram channel or on my Instagram. So be sure to follow me on there so you guys can see more about these products, because this I probably won't do, like, you probably won't hear anything else about these products unless it's like in an empties video or a favorites video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out in here is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Gelée Moisturizer. They are $12.99, and this is for blemish prone skin. Has aloe in it. This is really soft feeling. It says the gel moisturizer with clarifying African black soap and bamboo charcoal dries invisibly to provide ultra light hydration while helping to balance oily blemish prone skin. Cooling aloe soothes and nourishes, leaving skin feeling hydrated, smooth, and refreshed. It's cruelty free, has no parabens, no sulfates, and no mineral oil lot of different cool things. That's the packaging. It's just little tiny mask. They gave me 2 of them to try. So I might do a little video on these tonight. Like after I come home, I might put one on. You know, I just might. Next thing in here is some Impress one-step gel nails. No glue needed. Basically they're like I think the peel and stick nails. And 30 nails including 6 accents. So I guess it's like I can wear them like 3 times. I have a set for like 3 different wears. So that's really cool. They're really pretty. Once again, you'll probably see these on my Instagram or in future videos that I'm filming. I'll probably be wearing these. I don't really get my nails done a lot, and I don't really paint them a lot because I can't paint my nails, but you know. Then in here, oh, and those nail things, the nail press-on manicure nails is $7.99, so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Alright, so the next thing in here is from Crest. It's gum and enamel repair for intensive clean. It's for anti-cavity and anti-gingivitis. It helps prevent staining and controls plaque and gingivitis, stuff like that. I typically use Sensodyne toothpaste, so don't know how this is going to work with me. I definitely will use it though, but I'll probably use it after I use my Sensodyne toothpaste because I have really sensitive teeth. If you watched my other videos, you would know. But yeah, it's like a deluxe sample size, so that's really cool. I used to, like, before I had to start using the Sensodyne toothpaste, the Pro Enamel, Crest was my toothpaste. Like, you know how some people are like Colgate people? I'm a Crest type of person. I don't like Colgate toothpaste. I like Crest. So if I had to choose between Colgate and Crest, I would go with Crest. Comment down below, what are you, a Crest or a Colgate type of person? Or are you like me and you really have to use a Sensodyne toothpaste? The next thing in here also is a Mini Magic 10-in-1 primer. This retails for $11.99. It's infused with a bunch of different stuff, argan oil and sunflower seed oil. It looks like this. I've already received one of these from them before, so I like it, but I hadn't even finished the other one yet. So I'm glad they sent me another one, and that's another reason why I probably won't use that coupon that came in, because this has, does it say it on here? It's 6 ounces of product, and I still have that one. So currently right now I have about 12 ounces of product. So I won't be needing to buy that for a while. And the very last thing in here, which I was pretty shocked about this. I love bubble wrap. I was pretty shocked about this, and I've never ever used anything like this before. Like, I've used shaving gel, but not for not in a tube like this. I've never used it for under my arms before. Well, I used to use shaving cream under my arms, but now I don't have to. The razors that I use have that stuff on there so that you don't have to have shaving cream. But I'm excited to use this. I think this is going to be really cool. This is the Moisturizing No Bump Shave Gel for Legs, Bikini, and Underarms from Completely Bare. So it's a hypoallergenic formula, shower fresh scent. And it does smell really good. It smells really, really good. Has plant and floral extracts help condition smooth skin. Our special blend of essential oils create a protective moisture barrier for longer lasting hydration. Environmentally friendly beads dissolve instantly when applied to the skin, allowing all moisture benefits to be easily absorbed. And chamomile extract helps soothe skin and prevent irritation. So I'm really excited about this. Where was this at the beginning of summer though? Like, definitely could have used it at the beginning of the summer. And this retails for $4.99, so that's not that bad. I don't know if this is just the deluxe size, like if this is the smallest size or if it comes in a bigger size. That'd be really cool if it comes in a bigger size. I'll do some research and see if it comes in a bigger size, but I'm so happy to try all that out. So thanks to Influenster. Thank you for sending me these products to review and try out for you guys. Like I said, follow me on my Instagram so that you can see more about these products and get a heads up on like future unboxing, because a lot of times I just run over there and I'm so excited that I start, unboxing stuff. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel on your way out before you leave and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I do upload more videos like this. I upload videos like beauty related, favorites, empties, project pan videos, lifestyle videos, and stuff like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!